Hello guys, welcome back. Discover the top 5 best TIG welders in 2025, carefully selected for their performance, precision, and versatility. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, these welders offer advanced features, durability, and excellent weld quality. Explore our expert picks to find the perfect machine for your welding needs. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. Lincoln Electric TIG Welder. The Lincoln Electric TIG Welder offers exceptional precision and control for high-quality welding projects. Designed for both professional and DIY use, it ensures smooth arc starts, superior weld aesthetics, and durability. With advanced features like adjustable settings, it's perfect for welding a variety of materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel. Its user-friendly interface and portable design make it ideal for both shop and field applications. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this TIG welder delivers outstanding results with minimal effort. Experience superior performance and reliability with Lincoln Electric. Number 4. Miller Dynasty TIG Welder. The Miller Dynasty TIG Welder is a top-tier welding machine known for its precision, reliability, and versatility. Equipped with advanced inverter technology, it delivers smooth and stable arcs for superior weld quality on a wide range of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. Its adjustable features allow for fine control over heat input, ensuring optimal results. The welder's intuitive interface and compact design make it user-friendly and portable, suitable for both professional and industrial applications. With exceptional power efficiency and durability, the Miller Dynasty is perfect for demanding TIG welding tasks. Number 3. ESAB Rebel TIG Welder. The ESAB Rebel TIG Welder is a versatile and powerful welding machine designed for both novice and experienced welders. Featuring advanced inverter technology, it provides superior arc stability and precision for high-quality welds on various metals, like aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel. Its user-friendly interface allows for easy adjustments to optimize settings for different applications, while its compact, portable design ensures convenience in any workspace. With robust construction and reliability, the ESAB Rebel TIG Welder is ideal for both professional and DIY projects, delivering exceptional performance and long-lasting durability. Number 2. Weld Pro TIG Welder. The Weld Pro TIG Welder is a high-performance, versatile welding machine perfect for both novice and experienced welders. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers consistent smooth arcs for precise, high-quality welds on a variety of metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel. With adjustable settings for controlling heat, amperage, and other parameters, the Weld Pro TIG Welder offers flexibility and fine control for diverse applications. Its compact, portable design makes it suitable for use in both workshop and field settings. Built to last, it combines reliability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for professional welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 1. CK Worldwide TIG Welder. The CK Worldwide TIG Welder is a premium welding machine designed for precision and durability. Renowned for its advanced technology, it delivers smooth, stable arcs for high-quality welds on a variety of materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel. With adjustable settings for heat and amperage control, it ensures flexibility and accuracy for every welding task. Its compact, portable design is perfect for both professional and DIY use, offering ease of transport and setup. Built to withstand tough environments, the CK Worldwide TIG Welder provides exceptional performance, making it a trusted choice for both experienced and novice welders seeking reliability and efficiency. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best TIG welder in 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.